I want to show this engine is out of a 348, and we took it apart because the engine came with the timing belt, not broken, but it looked pretty new. So the customer told me that he got a shop changing the belt, so we couldn't turn the engine. So what we did is we put another engine on the 348, but we kept this one. So now this one I took it apart and see what happened to it. And see, this is one of the side of the cylinders. They look alright, you know. I don't know, these marks, it looks like the belt, the valve was hidden a little bit. You see that? Right here? They're supposed to, yeah, they hit a little bit here, right? So it looks like the guy probably didn't set up the belt correctly, and they kept driving it. And okay, on this side we see a little bit of damage too. Now this one is bad, but number one right here, look, you can see a hole. It made a hole into the on the piston and went through, and the valve kept going around, and the little pieces got out and then got into this one, into that one, and into this one. So this is the head. That's the head. It's a 4-valve head. And look at that. The thing is in there. It's embedded onto the seat. So you see the head gaskets. They look pretty fairly new. And I was looking at the brand. The brand is L-Ring. I don't remember. They used to come from Italy. L-Ring. I don't think so. I think they were a different brand. So someone did the head on it and set the timing incorrectly. And look at this. Look at it. The pieces of seat. The seat from the head, they got all into everything. When I took the manifold off, the manifold was full of these little pieces of metal. So that explains why it's so important to get your timing correctly. So it should be good the first time, and then what you do is you turn the engine a few times, make sure nothing hits, nothing stops. If something hits, then you gotta reset it. That's pretty much it. If you don't put a lot of torque tension when you're having that problem, most likely nothing is going to happen. But if you start the engine, this is what happens.